All right, my friends. Well, I'm at Caesar's in, I guess technically Memphis, Tennessee. I'm gonna kind of go through here, and they've got a lot of stuff going up. I was just out there, did not have a good time. Beautiful place, but they could, you know, maybe work on the juice a bit. So, had a few of these. I'm really enjoying these. One of the best deals in the whole place. Love it. All right, we got the rye, a lot of the rye 3s, lucky 7s. Still have not pulled the trigger on this. I'm gonna have to try to go to a bar in Texas and have somebody pour me out a bunch of them. Loving this. You know what I'm thinking, right? You know what I'm thinking. All right, get out of this fella's way. If I'm in your way, you tell me. So, all right, I think I have a sample of that I still need to try to get to. All right, love this. It's like just a campfire in a bottle. It's great. And then they got, now, yeah, you know, gross. So they've got the foolproof store pick, and he's got some more coming. He's got another barrel coming. Brady's gonna talk about that in a little bit. I think he's gonna give me a little bit of time, FaceTime, so I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on here because he's got stuff to say or stuff to promote. So they have a full thing of they have a full thing of Penelope here, and then we've got these. I think I have one of these coming as a present. I'm actually going to pick this bottle up today. I'm going to spend some money. This is one of the few places here in town that has a single barrel, a hand-selected single barrel. They got to try it. They picked their physical barrel. So I don't think there's anybody in town who's doing that. So we've got all these over here. Maybe Canadian Chris will be impressed. Who knows? I've had to age at sea. It wasn't bad. I don't know if it's worth it, but I still need to try to get some more Michters. Kind of embarrassing. So got the Russells, Gentleman Jack, and let's see, we've got their single barrel, right? Old Dominic. I will be at Old Dominic next Monday, trying to be part of the barrel pick for Bruzel. That's going to be exciting. Anybody who's going to be there, let me know. Blue Note. This stuff's starting to get thin. I only know one person who doesn't like it. There are two people, Lauren and Brian from Bourbon School. So yeah, but I like it. I got the barrel proof, and I think they have the A124 up there. So still looking for the 12 of this. I'm gonna grab that next time. Let's see. Nope, that is barrel 12-5. See, got a. I think that is a store pick. It is a store pick. Got the rocket top. They do. They got it right here. That's cool. I was gonna pour a bottle of one of these or the Larceny, and I picked the Larceny. So, all right, let's see here. The Old Forester. I don't think that they have any of the. They got the 1920 right there. All right, we got their single barrel pick, which is fantastic. I've tried that. My brother got that bottle. Cute little key. Still feel kind of silly that I didn't know that was a pick until it dawned on me after watching my own video. Kind of silly. 5 Trail. Got this bottle. I enjoy it. All right. Double look at some good stuff too. All right. Got the Jack Daniels. A lot of stuff. A lot of things happening with Jack Daniels here. I might even actually have an opportunity to do something fun with them by going back to the distiller. If I can talk my beautiful bride into it. All right, let's see. I don't see any dunkers, and that is a store pick. Nice. All right, and we kind of know about the Canadian stuff. Got the Redemption. Love this bottle. Everybody should own that bottle right there. All right, and they've got the wheated, the bourbon, and they got the rye here. So good stuff. Got the Doc Swintons, which I don't have a lot of experience with. If you looked on the Discord, we got one that's coming soon. One of our great members has found a way to find out what's coming in the future, and Rattle and Snap has something coming, so that's going to be cool. So, speaking of the Discord, if you want to join, the link is down in the description. We have a lot of fun. It's broke up by cities and states and food and EDC and all sorts of stuff. So if you are wanting help looking or hunting in your local area, it's a great place to go and you know, meet with somebody. You got Nashville, we got Florida, New York, Little Rock, all over, California. So, all right, enough of that. All right, got some of this down here. Got Cooper's Craft is fantastic, great bottle. I'm still on the mend, still taking antibiotics, so I cannot drink, but I have that very old Barton and want to drink some of that. There's that Kentucky Tavern. That's my dad's juice. Now's a good time to like and subscribe. And Buzzard Juice is another one. They're doing a lot of crazy stuff. I think they are putting literal tobacco into their specific barrels, like tobacco smoke, which is pretty crazy. So, yeah, there's Benchmark. That's the only Benchmark we got. We don't have any of the other fun stuff here. Oh, let me see here. There's the port. There's Nulu Straight, and that's Old Elk. I think that's the only Old Elk they got here. And the digits, that's Scottie Pippen. All right, now I'm gonna go over here real quick and take a quick run through the tequila. Kind of do like the top shelf of these here. So embarrassing that they have a standee of me here. Just embarrassing. All right, let's see here. I got the G4. All right, kind of see what here on the, get some of the top shelf stuff up here. And let's see, we got some of the biggest one. I like it. That's the way to live. That's the way to do it, man. He said, just grab the biggest one. I like the way he thinks. All right, we got a little bit of the Irish and the Scotch. I will go through this fairly quickly, just because I have to steal some of Brady's time. Love that gigantic bottle. All right. Let's see here. Got the Lagavulin. Love this stuff. All right, well, I am going to go over and look at the rum, and then I'm going to go see my buddy Brady and see if he's ready for me. Wait, is that a 1910? It is a 1910. Not the 1924. All right. So I have narrowed it down to I'm either getting the Appleton Estates or the Bumbuba. I think I picked those two down. So, all right, well, let's go see what Brady's got.
What's going on?
Not much. What's going on today?
Not much, man. Here we are, back again with just another allocation special at Caesars. I say special, but at the end of the day, it's here today, going tomorrow. Now, I'm not saying that these things are going to be here by the time you post these videos.
It will be posted by 5 o'clock tonight.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, I say one, but all of these are probably going to disappear very quickly.
Yes.
Elijah Craig Toasted, if you've not had a toasted barrel, is exceptional, especially if you like warm bodies. 1792 12 year, has all the qualities that you would expect from like a Weller 12, but a little bit more softer. You aged other small batch and blends, you really can't beat. Weeded recipes from Buffalo Trace, but at the same time, there's stuff that, you know, everyone goes to, staples. Then, one of my favorites, Cream of Kentucky. I love this. If you have not had a rye, these things are awesome. They have kind of the complexity of a Midwinter's Night Dram being a little bit more floral, but they also have a lot of the sweetness that you would expect in an E.H. Taylor rye. Then, 1792 single barrels. Wish I could talk more about them, but every single barrel is a little bit different, so essentially every expression that you have of this is going to be a little bit different. So, but it's good product no matter what anyone says, but that's what we got.
So you were talking about old Dominic?
Huh?
You were going to talk about old Dominic?
Oh, yeah. So we got a couple more barrels on the way at Caesars. We got, what do I got coming this year? I got a Jack barrel proof barrel coming, which I'm really excited for. Last time we had one of those was about 1.5 years ago. I think they were clocking 130 plus, but I mean, for 130 proof juice, like banana all day.
Wow.
What else do I got? I got, I just picked it. I just freaking picked it. I can't remember what it was. But
wasn't the 1792, was it?
Yeah. Well, I haven't told everybody, but we do have another 1792 barrel in the back right now. Currently, that is what we have in in stock plus 5 cases. So once that barrel goes, we'll start putting out the new barrel.
Nice.
And I'm really upset when I'm having a huge brain fart. There was another barrel besides this Old Dominic that we recently picked out. Oh yeah, it was Blue Note, but it's already here. Yeah,
oh,
yeah,
the Blue
we
Note.
have a new Blue Note barrel as well.
Oh yeah. So
and joint. It's a newer expression. I want to say, what's the proof on that? 120 something.
I was like
123.8. So we'll say 124 because we like to round that.
Yeah.
And then this is the cool part. We have a new Old Dominic whiskey. They finally are doing all their own stuff now. So it's not, you know, I'm not gonna say source, but it's all in-house juice. Not to mention it's like 129 proof. So we have that on the way as well. So
nice.
We're excited. And then of course those Weller full proofs.
Yep. And that's getting low.
Go.
Yep, they're getting low.
I've got less than, I don't even want to say how many cases, but I don't have very much left. The Four Roses bundle, really just want a Four Roses barrel.
Yeah.
As simple as that.
Yeah, to get the a Four Roses barrel, he has to sell so many of these liters, so that's why they're bundled together. It's the game they have to play to. Yeah, so I'm getting this today, which I'm excited about. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and you're I think you're the only one in town. I mean, in this area, I haven't seen anybody.
We are the only ones in town with a Crown Royal single barrel. A lot of people, especially bourbon guys, they kind of like put their nose up to it. They're like, oh, I haven't had Crown since my 20s, blah, 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 whatever. That has more of a bourbon texture than any Canadian product that I've had. So I would encourage people, if they haven't had it, please come in and try it. You'll be really surprised how darn good it is.
It is very, very good. So that's why I'm getting one. So they got the A124, which is everybody's excited. Got the A124 Elijah Craig.
Also, people, if you see this sitting on shelves, please grab it. Please grab it. It's getting into the warmer months. I mean, Memphis is going to have a heat index of 100 by April, probably. But
this is true.
This guy, Corazon, I guess they changed up the bottle too. Their expressions, or what they used to be called, are always aged in some, you know, Sazerac type barrel. There's been a Handy, George T, Bland's, whatever. This one's been aged in E.H. Taylor barrels. So if you see this lying on the shelf anywhere for less than 75 bucks, I would encourage y'all to grab it.
All right.
Because these are great tequilas. Great tequilas. Especially if you like bourbon and are wanting to like inch a little bit into that tequila.
I like gateways.
Hey man. Welcome to the gateway. But yeah, that's all the stuff we got. So if you want to come out, try some single barrels, come on by.
All right. I'm going to pan through here real quick, make sure I get all these. You know, the same guys that are crapping on Crown Royal are the same ones that secretly buy that blackberry. Yeah, everyone's like, I like the raspberry. I mean the blackberry. So we've got the small batch. One right here, and like I said, he's got the big handle. He got the big boy. Man,
they'll be going quick.
Yeah, these always go pretty quick. I agree. I cannot tell you how much I love this Blue Note. I mean, it's Green River, and it's fantastic. So. I got another store pick and over here, and then I'm gonna go do a quick pan because I think they have a little bit of the Pappy left, and then that'll be the end of the video. So yep, there it is right there. So all right guys, thanks, like and subscribe, and when you come out to the store, please tell them I sent you. It just helps me being able to keep shoot, and I like to come do these hunt videos. They are fun for me. All right, have a great day. Slanja, my friends. All right, I know I just said goodbye, but I did want to show that I did buy something today, so you guys can, you know, who think I don't ever buy anything. All right, have a great day.